Hello guys, so today I'm gonna just do a quick hello world using the Zig language. I found out about the Zig language on Twitter actually. Brian Kettleson posted and I thought it was very interesting and I love new programming languages, so I decided to dig a little bit into it. It's quite interesting. The guy that created Zig, it's very knowledgeable and he has some really interesting talks on how he created and what Zig tries to solve. But Zig, it's basically a general purpose programming language. Um, has a very interesting take on memory management and some other concepts that I'm not gonna get into it right now. The idea here is just to just show you guys how to install it and just to do a quick hello world with it. Um, so to install it, I'm on Mac. It's quite easy. You just go here and brew install Zig, and this will install everything for you. I already did this, so I'm not gonna do it again. If you see it here, like I already did it, so you see here. And then after you do it, you can just you can see that you have a bunch of different commands here, and that we're going to go through them over time. So the idea here is that we're going to create a quick hello world based on what they already have on their website, just so we can see the language um, building and everything. So let's just create uh, a quick folder here, and then I'm going to create a file called Zig. Called hello.zig, which, needless to say, um, is the suffix for the Zig language. So here we can do vim. I already installed something here uh, to be able to work with Zig on with Vim, which is this guy. You can find within the Zig GitHub. It's called Zig Vim. It's really easy. Just because I like my language to be color different and etc. So if you don't like this fancy type stuff, you don't need to worry about it. So basically here we need to declare, we need to import the standard library, which you don't always have to do on other languages. But here apparently you do, which is fine. I don't mind doing this type of stuff. Yeah, pub, we were declaring pub, which apparently stands for a public function. Main, which is of course the main function for the program that returns void, which is nothing. And right here we're going to create an object for the standard out, and then I'm going to write to that object, which it's pretty straightforward. So let's just do that. So all right, constant standard out. Um, yeah, standard out. Let's just name the same thing the guy did. All right, here and then okay, there's a try. We're still gonna try to understand what this means exactly. I mean, of course, it looks like it's a try catch, but I don't really see the catch here. Uh, but I'm sure we'll figure this out later. I'm using tabs here. I'm not sure if he'll let me do that, to be honest. Uh, yeah. Hello, Zig World. All right. Yeah. With the when you run the there's an error. Expected semicolon on 4. All right. So what did I do here? Oh, okay. I just saw it. Okay. All right. Yeah, you can see that my Zig plugin for Vim is working. All right. To build this, you need to do Zig. You have a couple options to build here. If you look at the commands available, we have build executable, build library, build object. We want to be able to execute this guy, so we're just going to do build. Yeah, as you can see, they already did this before. Everything works fine. And good. Hello, Zig World. So this is our first Zig program. You can see that I tried out before. Uh, I had to deal with a couple of errors. The errors on Zig, they seem pretty declarative, which is good. It makes our life as developers easy. And as I said before, I love new programming languages, so I'm going to try to dig a little bit more into Zig and try to see what we can do with this, and let's experiment with it. All right. See you later. Cheers.